Welcome back to the enchanting realm of virtual exploration. We hold a deep fondness for Poland and take immense joy in presenting you with another captivating journey from this remarkable nation. Our destination today, the illustrious Royal Road in Krakow. With eager hearts, we step into the virtual world, ready to traverse the rich tapestry of history that is woven into every cobblestone of this splendid country. As we embark on this virtual adventure, prepare to be immersed in the charm and grandeur that define the Royal Road in Krakow. In the heart of the enchanting city of Krakow, Poland, lies a thoroughfare that truly lives up to its regal name, the Royal Road. This historic route is more than just a street. It's a journey through time, culture, and the grandeur of the past. Winding its way through the city's old town, the Royal Road is a cobblestone pathway that has witnessed centuries of footsteps, each imprinting the road with its own story. The road's significance dates back to the 14th century, when it was used for coronation processions of Polish kings, a symbolic march that connected the walled castle, the seat of Polish royalty, to the majestic St. Mary's Basilica. As you set foot on the Royal Road, you'll be enveloped by the era of antiquity, with meticulously preserved architecture on either side. One of the most captivating sights along the route is the Florianska Gate, a Gothic masterpiece that once served as a main entrance to the city. Passing through its imposing arches feels like stepping into a different era, where horse-drawn carriages and nobles in ornate attire were a common sight. Continuing along, the rhythmic clatter of horse hooves on the cobblestones and the echoes of history surround you. The journey takes you to the Cloth Hall, a Renaissance gem that has stood as a testament to Krakow's mercantile past. Today, it hosts a bustling market where artisans display their crafts, a delightful blend of past and present. A stop at St. Mary's Basilica is an absolute must. Its twin towers soar into the sky, an architectural marvel that beckons travelers and pilgrims alike. The interior is equally breathtaking, with a stunning wooden altar that is a true masterpiece of Gothic artistry. Legend has it that the trumpet call from one of the towers abruptly stops mid-tune to honor a long-past trumpeter who saved the city from an enemy's arrow with his warning call. The Royal Road isn't just about architecture and history. It's also a culinary journey. Charming cafes and restaurants line the route, inviting you to indulge in traditional Polish delicacies or simply unwind with a cup of rich coffee. The tantalizing aroma of freshly baked pastries and the inviting warmth of candle-lit interiors create an ambience that's hard to resist. As the Royal Road reaches its culmination at the walled castle, the magnitude of its significance becomes clear. The castle's grandeur, perched atop a limestone hill, has seen the rise and fall of dynasties, witnessed royal intrigues, and held the secrets of Poland's past. Its presence is a poignant reminder of the nation's enduring spirit. In Krakow's Royal Road, the stones speak of the triumphs and tribulations of a city that has weathered the storms of history. Walking this path is like turning the pages of a living history book, where every building, every whisper of the wind, and every step carries you deeper into the soul of a city that proudly wears its past on its sleeve.